Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marion. If you're not new here, as always, welcome back. Before we get into the video, please make sure you're subscribed as well as your post notifications are turned on, because if you didn't know, we are on day 4 of 21 days of luxury unboxings here on my channel. It's what I'm doing in place of Vlogmas this year. So literally 21 days, I'm doing a luxury designer unboxing every day. So you definitely want to make sure you're subscribed with those post notifications turned on so you do not miss an unboxing. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Louis Vuitton East West Metis bag. This is actually the bag that I picked up at the Louis Vuitton 200 Trunks, 200 Visionaries exhibit in New York City. I vlogged that. That vlog should be up. If you haven't seen it already, go check it out. So this is what I picked up at the pop-up shop. I didn't know they were going to have actual products for sale at the pop-up shop, if that makes sense. I thought they were just going to be kind of like exhibit driven products and merchandise. I didn't know they were going to have a full LV store at the pop-up shop. The pop-up shop is running through the month of December until the 31st. So it's running throughout the rest of 2022 here in New York City. If you want more information about the exhibit itself, definitely check out my vlog. This video is simply the unboxing of what I picked up. I'm so excited about this bag. I absolutely love this style. I had never seen it until, I didn't know anything about it until I was at the pop-up shop. So I definitely fell in love. It was love at first sight. As always, you guys know I'm going to insert some clips of the close-up details of the bag. I mean, how cute is she? So you also get this monogram strap. I love Louis' new way of doing the adjustable straps with the buttons as opposed to the traditional way, which I feel like gets caught in hair, gets caught on everything. And then you also have the gold hardware chain. If you're no stranger here, you know I love bags that come with multiple ways to wear them. So this bag is perfect. Can literally get so many different looks out of the bag depending on how you use the straps, how you wear it, how you hold it. So I absolutely love this. I'm glad that I waited and ended up with this instead of just a regular Metis in the bigger size or the small size, because this East West is just adorable size-wise. So, ton of room on the inside. You get those 3 pockets, and then you get a zippered pocket as well. So it's a lot of room. It looks small. It's very deceiving. You also have the zippered pocket on the back as well. I love that. I love this detail, the 2 individual D-rings, 4 straps on each side, as opposed to the pochette where as opposed to the multi-pochette where you're hanging both straps on 1 ring. I love that they give the 2 rings. Quick little disclaimer, today's unboxing is actually compiled of 2 days of filming, well, 2 separate filming sessions. I started filming this video earlier today with a different outfit on, and then Brixie was just having a wild afternoon, so I had to get her down for a nap. So now I'm back to film the remainder of this video. So some things I may repeat. You'll definitely see my shirt change, my hair change a little bit, but bear with me because I'm doing whatever it takes to give you guys 21 days of luxury unboxings. So it's a lot of work, but we're getting it done. I actually went to the pop-up shop. I knew that they were going to be selling merch, but I did not know that they were going to be selling handbags, or, well, I didn't know that they were going to have an actual Louis store in the bottom of the exhibit. So they had everything. I don't think they had footwear or apparel, but they had like hats, small leather goods, handbags, jewelry, things of that sort. So I was just leaving the exhibit. I will talk more about the pop-up shop in detail in the pop-up shop vlog, but as I was leaving the exhibit, I stumbled across the bags, of course, and I spotted a bag out of the corner of my eye, and I was like, wait, am I seeing things? Because I've never seen that size in that style. If you do hear some noise in the background, you guys know I'm a mom. That's Brixley. It's going to be really hard to do 21 days of unboxings without you hearing her here and there. So it is what it is. The bag I am talking about is Louis Vuitton's East-West Metis bag. And so if you aren't familiar, Louis Vuitton has a Pochette Metis bag. I believe it's in the size MM, or just their general size. I'm not really sure. It is one of my favorite styles of bags, but it's a lot bigger. I will insert a picture here in case you do not know that bag. And then more recently, Louis Vuitton came out with the Metis Mini. I'll throw up a picture of that, which is a lot smaller than this. So when I kind of saw this on the display case lit up, I'm like, wait a second, that looks like a Metis, but it's not as big or as small. What is that? I want to know what that is. I had a very helpful sales associate at the pop-up shop. Her name was Nika. If you are going to the 5th Ave, New York, 200 Trunks, 200 Visionaries pop-up shop, and you plan on shopping, definitely ask for Nika. She's only a sales associate during the pop-up shop, and she's super sweet, super nice. So she was super helpful because it was really chaotic. But anyways, so I was like, can I see that bag? Because what is that? And she's like, it's actually the East-West Metis, and it has 2 ways of wearing it. Besides the fact that I absolutely love the Metis style of bag from Louis, I just thought the size was so perfect. And then I loved, if you're no stranger to my channel, then you absolutely know I love bags that come with more than one way to wear them, more than one strap. So I loved that it came with 2 strap options, a gold link strap to make it a shoulder bag, hold it a little low, and then it has the longer adjustable strap in the monogram leather print. But one thing that I really love that Louis has been doing lately with their straps is they've kind of crossed over to this type of strap where you're kind of adjusting it with buttons instead of, I don't know what you call it, but like the bum bag, the back of the bum bag, you adjust it like with a regular belt loop type of thing. I guess I'll insert a picture if I remember. And I don't know if this is everybody, but that gets stuck in my hair a lot, or like it'll knot my hair. So I really love that lately Louis has been doing this for their adjustable strap. My Lock Me Tender bag also has a strap like this. So I really like that because I feel like the other straps are always getting tangled in my hair, and I love that little detail. So the bag itself retailed for $29.10. As I mentioned, I did pick it up at the pop-up shop in New York. It was actually available at the pop-up shop. It was one of the styles available in store at the pop-up shop before being available in the other stores. At least that's what I was told by the sales associate. So that's kind of what pushed me to buy it at the pop-up shop, because I had never seen it, and I was like, wait, this isn't at my Louis. Like, I need this. Absolutely love bags with more than one way to wear them options, especially for the price tag. I mean, if you're paying about $3,000 for a bag, you want to be able to wear it more than one way. I don't care how rich you are, I don't care who you are, you want to be able to wear that bag more than one way. So I really love that you can use the top handle if you just wanted to carry it like this. As I mentioned, the smaller chain can go across and be a under the arm bag, or you can kind of, you know, hold it dainty with that chain. You can wear it long. So that was like, besides the actual design of the bag being the size it is and the regular Metis design just kind of in a little medium size, I really love that you have multiple ways to wear them. So now that you've seen the close-ups of the bag, another thing that I really loved, I did mention it in the close-ups, was the 2 rings. So you can have 2 straps at the same time. You can put bag charms on there. I love that you can kind of just customize it. I love that you can kind of play around with it and wear it so many different ways. You can add a different strap. So I really love bags that give you those options. I can't say that enough. And I always say it because I feel like for the price tag, you might as well be able to wear it more than one way. I know I've said that like 5 times, but that's literally one of the main selling points for me anytime I'm picking a bag. But this was just too cute to pass up. It's really spacious, which I was super surprised at. It's really spacious despite its size. It does fit. I have an iPhone 13. It does fit that comfortably. It also fits the 13 Pro Max with space around it. So you could really fit everything in here. It's deceiving, but it holds so much. I'm super excited that I got my hands on this early. It was a bag that I didn't even know was coming out. I wasn't privy to it coming out. I hadn't really seen anything about it. And I'm so glad that I saw it and I was able to get it. If you are thinking of visiting the 200 Trunks, 200 Visionaries pop-up shop, definitely keep in mind that there is a full store there at the exit, and they have some exclusive pieces. Like I picked up this piece. Thank you guys so much for watching today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you're leaving a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and turn those post notifications on, because every day for the rest of the month, luxury designer unboxing uploaded every single day here on my channel for Vlogmas this year. So definitely make sure to subscribe and turn those post notifications on. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another unboxing.